So 7,500 salary of the driver, 16, 8,000, 25,000, totally 75,000 is a fixed charges. So how many miles it will run? 15 miles, it comes to 75,000. Depreciation is equal to cost divided by life. What is the formula? Depreciation is equal to cost divided by life. So number of buses 4 into 30 distance June, going 136, coming 136 into 50 by 90. This will come under fixed. This is fixed, this is only, this is variable, this is variable, this is variable you have taken. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle Advanced Cost and Management Account, 5th semester because the session goes in favor of operating costing. In the last session, I told you operation costing is nothing but service costing. So what is that is? Operation costing is nothing but service costing, just like transportation, gas and water supply, all we are going to calculate. Here, what is the first main? No, all the expenses has been divided into two groups. One is called fixed expenses, another is called the variable expense. Which are the two items now? One is the fixed expenses, another variable expense. We made a group of fixed expenses and another variable expense and divided by total number passenger kilometer. How to calculate the total passenger kilometer? Number of buses into number of days into distance traveled into seating capacity. What is the formula? Number of buses into number of days into distance travel into seating capacity. If you multiply, you can get cost per kilometer. We'll move on to problem now. So this is a problem. From the following data, calculate the cost per running mile of a vehicle. So they want a running mile of a vehicle. The cost of the vehicle is 2,50,000. Road license per year, you see, right? Road license per year is 7,500. Supervisor, it is come under fixed. Supervisors are yearly 18,000. Driver wages per hour. Driver wages per hour is 40. Cost of fuel per mile he has already given. This is given. Per mile is given. Repairs and maintenance per mile is given. Per mile itself answer is given. We want to find out the miles of a vehicle per mile. He has given cost of the fuel per mile is given. Repairs and maintenance per mile is given. Tire cost per mile is 10. Tire cost per mile is 10. Then per mile he has given 10. Garage rent per year is 16,000 per annum. Insurance premium yearly 8,500. Miles per liter is 10. For 10 miles, so here rupees 10. Miles per, if we go with the miles, no, it has cost 10 rupees here. Then estimate life of the year is 15,000. Estimated life of the vehicle is 1 lakh. Then charge 10% per annum on the cost of the vehicle. The vehicle runs 20 miles per hour, he says. How much miles? 20 miles per hour, he says. 20 miles per hour. Here, driver wages per hour is 40. How many it will run? Driver wages per hour 40. In per hour, how many miles it will run? 20 miles. So 40 divided by 20 is 2 rupees. That's all. Because 20 miles per hour in a mile now, he says, see that driver wages per hour is 40. In 40, how many miles it will run? 20. So 40 divided by 20 is 2 rupees. Cost of fuel per mile is 15. Repairs and maintenance per mile is 15. Cost then here. Tire cost per mile 10 rupees. Tire cost per mile is 10 rupees. Miles per liter is 10. So miles per liter means here. So cost of fuel per liter is repairs and maintenance per mile. Road license per mile. Here no. Insurance miles per liter is 10. So 10 miles per liter. 10 miles per liter. It will run 15. So cost of fuel 15 divided by 10, 1 rupee 50 paisa. Then estimated life of the vehicle, this is given for the sake of the depreciation. Depreciation is equal to cost divided by life. What is the formula? Depreciation is equal to cost divided by life. What's your cost? 2,50,000. Depreciation is equal to cost divided by life. So what's your cost? 2,50,000. Life is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. See that? Estimated life of the year is 1 lakh miles. So 2,50,000. If we cancel no 4040. So 25. 2 rupees 50 paisa per mile. So depreciation will come 2 rupees 50 paisa. 2,50,000. Here no 4040 cancelled out. 1 followed 550, cancel out 25 divided by 10, 2 rupees 50 paisa. Then what's another word is no? Interest at 10% per annum. Interest 2,50,000 into 10 by 100. Cancel the zeros. 2500. So 25,000. So 25,000 interest on vehicle. So we'll move on to solve the problem now. Slowly. First we write. Number 1. Fixed expenses. Fixed expenses. We'll go slowly one by one. Which are the fixed expenses? See that? Road license fees. Number 1. Road license fees. Road license fees 7,500. One is over. Number 2, then see that supervisor and salary, supervision and salary. You can say salary and supervision. 18,000. 18,000 per annum. All this come. This over. Driver wages per year, cost of fuel per year, repairs and maintenance per mile is there. Tire cost per mile. Garage rent per year. Garage rent. All you are taking per annum. This is per annum. What's your garage rent? 16,000. Then this over. Insurance premium. Insurance premium per annum. Insurance premium yearly 8,500. All per annum, all per. First one, road license fees, salary of supervision, garage rent, insurance premium. Here, interest, you have calculated 25,000. Add the figure. This is 7,500 plus 18,000 plus 16,000 plus 8,500 plus 25,000. 75,000. Total fixed charges. Cost per mile 75,000. How many miles it runs per annum? See that 15,000 per year. divided by 15,000 miles. Cancel the 0, 15 paisa. This is 5 rupees cost per mile. So 7,500 salary of the driver, 16, 8,000, 25,000. Totally 75,000 is a fixed charges. So how many miles it will run? 15 miles. It comes to 75,000. So we can take number 2, variable expenses. Variable expenses. First, number 1, depreciation already calculated per annum. You already calculate depreciation. Here, depreciation cost divided by 2 lakh divided by 1 lakh miles. Per mile is 2 rupees 50 paisa. This is per mile. Then come back here. Tire cost per mile 10 rupees. Then miles length to 15. You'll go with 1. Cost of fuel per mile 15. Then repairs and maintenance per mile 50. Cost of fuel per mile, repairs and maintenance per mile 15. Then says driver wages is 20. But vehicle runs how many 20 miles? Driver wages per mile 40 divided by 20, 2 rupees. This is per mile. Then here go. Garage tire cost per mile. Tire cost per mile 10 rupees. So this over, sure. Then what is next day? Supervisor, driver wages rate. Cost of fuel per mile is 40. Then tire cost per mile, repairs and maintenance per mile is 15. Tire cost is 10. So you can say cost of fuel per mile, cost of fuel per mile, tire cost per mile is 10. Miles run 10. Here, drive cost of fuel per mile is 15. But per liter it will go 15. Therefore, cost of fuel is equal to 15 divided by 10, 1 rupee 50 paisa. Then tire per mile is over, miles per 10 is over. Regarding the driver, cost of fuel is a repairs and maintenance per mile. Repairs and maintenance per mile is given. Repairs and maintenance per mile is how much is given? Repairs and maintenance per mile is 15. Per mile is given. Add the figure. 0, 0, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 11. This is 31. 31. There's another is 5. 36 is the operating cost per mile. Operating cost per mile. If you want, I can repeat. These are all the fixed expenses. Road license fee 7,500. Salary of the supervisor is 18,000. Garage rent 16,000. Insurance premium 8,000. Interest 25. If you add totally, it will come 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 7, 8. 8, 16. 22, 30, 35. This is 75,000. divided by how many kilometers to run? 15,000 miles. If you divide 5 rupees per mile. So next, depreciation per mile you have calculated. Driver wages 40 divided by 2 is 10. Tire cost per mile they have given. Cost of fuel 15 for 10 miles is 1 rupee 50. Repairs and maintenance 15 they have given. So 15, 1, 16, 26, 28, 30, 31 plus this is after costing. Easy to calculate. 10 marks question, definitely it will come. Same type of question will come from the examination part. You have to calculate only cost per mile. So first you divide all the expenses, fixed and variable, then you go with it. So number of, not necessary because they are given the operating cost sheet here. The question does not arise at all. So you must be careful. We'll go to the next problem. Sagar Transport Company is running 4 buses between 2 towns which are 150 kilometers apart. Seating capacity of bus is 60 passengers. Following particulars are available in the books for the month of March. January, February, March is 31 days. We'll go with the working day. Calculation now. Passenger kilometer. What's your formula? Number of buses into number of days into distance traveled into seating capacity. How many buses are there? See that? Here, how many buses are there? 4 buses between the 2 towns. So the actual passenger carries 80% capacity. The bus run all the day. Each bus makes 1 round trip per day. Find out the passenger kilometer, they say. Slowly we go. 150 kilometers apart. Number of buses 4. Number of buses 4. Number of days March, no, 31st days. Distance traveled here 150 kilometers apart. Each bus makes 80% capacity. Here you got 4 buses. Actually, in 4 buses is there. Number of buses is 4. Between the 2 towns, in the month of March means 31 days. How many kilometers? 150 plus 150 kilometer into passenger is 60 passenger into 80% capacity. 80 by 100. 80 by 100. So this is 4 into 31 into 300, 48. If we multiply now, 4 into 31 into 300 into 48. 17 lakh 85 600 passenger kilometer. So this is the wages of the conductor, cleaner. Slowly we can take. Number 1, fixed expenses. Fixed expenses. Wages of drivers. Wages of drivers will come 40,000. Number 2, salaries. Salaries will come 10,000. This over. Diesel will come variable, repairment variable taxation, $80,000, depreciation, depreciation 1,30,000, interest add 0,000, 2,60,000 fixed charges per kilometer, cost per 2,60,000 divided by 17,85,600. We check up this once again. Number of buses 4 into 31 days, going on 50, coming on 50 into 60 to 80 by 100, 17,85,000. Same thing. Number of days is the same. Distance traveled 150, that is 300 into 60, 80 by 100. This is 4 into 31 into 300, 48. How much will come? 4 into 31 into 300 into 48. 17,85,600 passengers kilometer. Number of buses, number of days, distance traveled, seating capacity. Number of buses is 4, 31, 300, 60 by 80. 4 into 31, 300 is 48, 17,85,600. If you divide now, 2,60,000, 2,260 followed by 30 divided by 17 lakh 85,600, 0.145 kilometer. Then number 2, variable expenses. Variable expenses. Here diesel. What is the total cost? See that? Diesel and oil 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Diesel over. Repairs 40,000. Then depreciation. Value is given. Depreciation is 1,30,000. Interest and other charges you have taken 1 lakh in the last, no? Here wages of driver, salary, taxation, depreciation, interest on charge, everything is taken. Here taxation, depreciation you have taken. Only 2 you can take. All are fixed here. So 2,40,000. Cost per kilometer 2,40,000 divided by 17,85,600. Once again we can check up this. Here wages of driver I have taken as a fixed. Okay. Salary you have taken fixed. Then taxation is taken 80,000. Then depreciation is wages of driver 40,000, salary 10,000, taxation 80,000. Then depreciation 1,30,000. Then interest on other charges 1 lakh. We can take interest on other charges 1 lakh. You can take, it comes to divided by 17 lakh 85 600 0.201. You can take 20 paisa. Other expenditure you have taken on variable 2,40,000, 2,40,000 divided by 17 lakh 85 600 0.13. 0.13. Add the figure. First one 0.2, so 33. Cost per passenger kilometer. Operating cost. Operating cost per passenger kilometer 0.33. I think you understand. Variable expenses, diesel, everything is there. Okay. So we must be very careful how to calculate cost per passenger kilometer, number of buses into number of days, into distance travel, into seating capacity. So operating cost will come only for 10 marks. It is an easy question we ask. So in the next session, we'll go with reconciliation statement between cost and financial account. Till then, goodbye.